Be honest, have you ever said a word in English and a native speaker gave you that look? You know, the polite smile that really means, that's not how we say it. The truth is, English has some of the most mispronounced words in the world. Even fluent speakers and sometimes native speakers get them wrong. So today, we're going to fix that. I'll cover the correct pronunciation of 50 of the most mispronounced words in the English language. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural, more confident, and a lot less confused. You're watching Airlearn English, where we make learning English simple, fun, and unforgettable. And before we dive into the words, here's a secret. Pronunciation is not something you can master by just reading lists of words. That's why I recommend the Airlearn app. Instead of throwing random words at you, it puts you in real-life situations where you actually use the words in context. For example, if you're practicing the word memorable, the app doesn't just tell you how to say it, it puts you in a real-life scene where you'd actually use the word, so it feels natural and sticks the way a native would say it. So let's jump in and learn how to pronounce those tricky words. The first word is bury, often missaid like bury. It's bury. They will bury the treasure. Dessert, not desert. Double S means stress. Dessert. Ice cream is my favorite dessert. Receipt. That P is silent, not recept. It's receipt. Keep the receipt for proof. Mischievous. People add an extra syllable, not mischievous. It's mischievous. That cat is mischievous. Salmon. The L doesn't exist in speech, not salmon. It's salmon. He ordered salmon sushi. Restaurant, not restaurant. It's simply restaurant. That's my favorite restaurant. Quinoa. Some people say quinoa, quinoa. It's simply quinoa. She served quinoa salad. Espresso. Stop adding an X, not espresso. It's espresso. I need an espresso shot. Next is almond. The L disappears, not almond. It's almond. He ate roasted almonds. The next one people often mispronounce. Most drop the R. It's not February, it's February. Her birthday is in February. Library, not library. It's library. Go to the library and study English. Mortgage. That T is silent, not mortgage. It's mortgage. They applied for a mortgage. Next is hierarchy. Not hierarchy. It's hierarchy, but some people also say hierarchy. The hierarchy is strict. Next is comfortable, not comfortable. It's simply comfortable. The couch is comfortable. Clothes. People skip the th, not clothes. It's clothes. Fold your clothes. Next we have cupboard, not cupboard. It's cupboard. Plates are in the cupboard. The next one is really interesting because it has two pronunciations. In the US, we say schedule. In UK, people say schedule. Check your schedule. This next one is a little tricky. Suite, not suit. It's sweet. They stayed in the suite. Next is data. Both data and data are correct. The data is accurate. Often. The T is silent, not often. It's often. She calls often. Next is debris, not debris, debris. It's debris. The street had debris everywhere. Plumber. The B is silent, not plumber. It's plumber. Call the plumber quickly. Tomb, not tomb. It's tomb. The tomb was ancient. Sword. Drop the W, not sword. It's sword. He carried a sword. Next is subtle, not subtle. It's subtle. That's a subtle hint. Genre, not genre or genre. It's genre. That genre is popular. Vehicle, not vehicle. It's vehicle. That's his vehicle. This one is really tricky for many English learners. Wednesday, not Wednesday. It's simply Wednesday. The class is on Wednesday. Woman, not woman. It's woman. That woman is kind. Bowl, not bowel, it's bowl. Fill the bowl with soup. Chaos, not chaos, it's chaos. The house was in complete chaos. Candidate, not candidate, it's candidate. The candidate won. Jewelry, not jewelry, it's jewelry. She wore fine jewelry. Ballet, not ballet, it's ballet. He enjoys ballet shows. Next is buffet, not buffet or buffet. In the US, it's pronounced buffet, and in UK, buffet. The buffet is ready. Gourmet, not gourmet, it's gourmet. She ordered a gourmet dish. Rendezvous. This one is tricky. Not rendezvous, it's rendezvous. Let's rendezvous at noon. Island. The S is silent. It's not island, it's island. We stayed on the island. Choir. Not choir, it's choir. She sings in the choir. Yolk. The L here is silent, so it's not yolk, it's yolk. The egg yolk is runny. Leopard. It's not leopard, it's leopard. The leopard moved silently. Gauge. Not gauge, it's gauge. Check the fuel gauge. Debut. Not debut or debut, it's debut. He made his debut on stage. This next one is even tricky for most native speakers. It's not hymn, it's hymn. The choir sang a hymn. Next is pizza, not pizza or pizza with sharp Z's. It's pizza. We ordered pizza. Coupon, not coupon. It's coupon in the US or coupon in the UK. Use this coupon to save. Hotel, not hotel. It's hotel. Stress is on the second syllable. We stayed at a nice hotel. Chocolate, not chocolate. It's chocolate. She bought a bar of chocolate. Iron, not iron. It's iron. She pressed the shirt with an iron. The last word is temperature, not temperature. It's temperature. The temperature dropped last night. How many of these have you been saying wrong? Be honest. Drop your score in the comments below. Let's see who gets all 50 right. There you go. 50 English words you're probably mispronouncing. Here's the key takeaway. Native speakers often drop sounds, shorten syllables, or stress different parts of a word. If you want to sound natural, you need more than word lists. You need practice in real conversations. That's why I recommend you try the Airlearn app. You'll practice English the way it's actually spoken in restaurants, airports, offices, real situations that make pronunciation stick. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and subscribe for more lessons. And no more saying comfortable, okay? Practice daily, and I'll see you next time on Airlearn English.